Hi guys, now we are going to discuss about how to enter or how to add company details to your Zero accounting package. That is the thing that we are going to discuss. Basically, as a company, we are having some details: the company name, company address, and the used currencies. Likewise, there are several information that need to be incorporated into this Zero accounting package. So now I am going to show you how we can add those information to the Zero accounting package. It is very essential. Why? Basically, we are generating various documents using the Zero accounting package, maybe sales invoices, maybe bills. Likewise, there are so many documents are generated using the Zero accounting package. Therefore, we have to include the relevant company details within those documents. Even for that purpose also we have to add the company details properly. So you can add the company details in this way. You can click here. Okay, so once you click here, this drop down list appears and you have to click on this settings. Okay, you have to click on this settings. Once you click on these settings, you will be directed to this organization setting page. And here you can see there are general organizational settings, organization details, users, currencies, connected apps, subscription and billing. And then in addition to this, that there are features, invoice setting, then payment services, then email settings, zero to zero, and custom content links. Okay, so here I am not going to discuss all the organizational settings at this moment. At the initial point we are going to discuss the basic organizational settings, but after that at an advanced note I will elaborate other organizational settings. For example, if we look at this connected app, if we using this connected app setting, we can connect to various other third party softwares or other third party apps to this Zero accounting package. For example, I am practically connected one of inventory management system to Zero. Therefore, you can connect so many, actually not few, you can connect so many apps to your Zero accounting package depending on your business requirement and how you are using those apps. Okay, so Zero has the ability to sync with other third party apps. That is also a plus point in this Zero accounting package. Okay, but I am not going to elaborate it now. At this moment, what I want to elaborate is to show how the organizational details are added, how you can add the users. Likewise, those things are going to be discussed now. So first I will navigate to this organization details. Okay, so you will be directed to this page. So you can see include some of your information on the online invoices you send. For the time being, we'll just forget about that online invoicing part. First, we will go through the basic things. After that, we will move to the in advanced parts, especially the online things and connected devices. Okay, so here you can at the basic information. They have already picked up the basic information from the things that we have entered earlier. So you can see the display name Bispintech and legal or trading name also the same. But in your case, if you want to display one name, you have to enter it here. And if you have a different legal or trading name, then you have to enter it here. Okay, so that is the thing you have to understand. Based on your account business requirement, you have to enter the relevant information here. After that, you have to upload the logo. It is not compulsory, but if you have any any requirement, or if you have any logo, then you have to upload it. Okay, you have to upload it. And also please look at here, use on my invoices and other documents I send to clients. So if you check this checkbox, then the uploaded logo will be available on all the invoices and other documents that you are going to send to your clients. So if you want it, you have to check this, otherwise you have to uncheck this. Okay, so I will keep it checked, and I will click on this browse one. Then you have to select a logo. Okay, I will just take some. Okay, I will just click here. Okay, now I have browsed it and I am going to upload it. I don't know. Okay, it is done. Then what is your line of business? You can enter it here, or earlier they have picked up from your early information. And organizational type, you have to select the type of your organization, maybe a charity, club or society, company, partnership, person, whatever the type you have to select. In my case, I will select it as company. Then you have to give a business registration number. If you have registered as a business, then definitely you should have a business registration number. So in my case, I will just, for the time being, I will just enter some sort of hypothetical number. This is a hypothetical number. Then you can enter the relevant description. Okay, you can enter using maximum 300 characters. You can enter the organizational description. Okay, so I will just enter a description. We are an educational and professional service providing company. Depending on the nature of your business, you can enter the organization description here. After that, you have to enter the contact details. So street address or the PO box, town or city, then state or the region. If there is any zip code, you have to insert it. Then country, and if there is any attention, that means if you are getting some correspondence, and if the attention of someone needs to be drawn, you have to enter that part as well. I will just enter some of the hypothetical information. I will just okay. I'm just entering some sort of hypothetical information. Then zip code also I am just entering in hypothetical one. Country as I think better to. You can select your country. Okay, for the time being, I am selecting my country. Okay. So if this is required, you can enter it. Okay, then the physical address. If the postal address is same as your physical address, then you can just tick on this. Okay, if the physical address is different from your postal address, then you have to enter it here. Okay, in my case, I will just tick this. Then it is same as postal address. Then you have to enter your telephone details, and for that you have to select the country in order to take the country code. Okay, so I will select my country. In my case, in your case, you have to select your own country. Okay, and you can add the uh, number details. I will just add. Then you have to enter some sort of email address. I will add. Okay, so in this way you can add the relevant details. If you are having a website, then you can add the website as well. Okay, so in my case, I am not going to add any website. So for the time being, I think we are okay. Then you can click on this save button. Okay, changes saved. Now we are mainly done with our organizational details. So you can again go back to organization setting. So now in your organization, there can be several accounting users. So there are several accounting employees. So you need to give the access to the zero accounting package to them. In that case, you have to click on this users, and you have to invite a user. Click on that invite a user, and you have to give the relevant details here and send the invitation. Okay, that is how we are going to invite the users. So in that way you can add the users of your organization to the zero accounting package. The number of users that you can add to the zero accounting package will depend on the payment or the plan you have subscribed it. You can get the relevant details from the zero accounting, and if you need any clarification you can contact me. Okay, so that is all about the users. Then currencies. Okay, so in today's globalized world, we are not just concentrating on our motherland. In addition to that, we are going beyond the boundaries of our country, and we are trying to deal with the various parties all over the world. Therefore, we have to deal with multiple currencies. So zero is perfectly facilitating that aspect as well. Okay, so in zero we can manage multiple currencies. You can see here, send invoices, reconcile accounts, and get paid in over 160 different currencies. See, they have facilitated for 160 different currencies. So how can you add the currency? Now in this case, now since I am based in Sri Lanka, they have by default taken the currency as Sri Lankan rupees LKR. In addition to that, I can add any of the currency. Okay, so now I am going to add one currency. So I will take United States dollars because it is one of the major currency. Now I am going to add United States dollars. Okay, so you can see here, automatic foreign exchange rates provided by xe.com. Exchange rates are updated each hour with the most up-to-date mid-market rate from xe.com. Okay, now what I have to do is just to click on this add currency. Okay, so likewise, you can add other currencies as well. Okay, in my case, I am going to add another currency, say GBP, British Pound. Then I can add it. In this way, you can add whatever the currency you need in order to the default currency or your own currency. Okay, so you can see the relevant exchange rates in both direct and indirect method, and those exchange rates are automatically updated in the system, so you don't need to worry about the exchange rate. Okay, but at the transaction level also you have the ability to define the relevant exchange rate. We will see when we are talking about that. Okay, so this is how you are adding other currencies to your zero accounting package. In my case, I am based in Sri Lanka, therefore I have to add I am adding USD and GBP as other currencies. But if you are based in United States, then definitely your default currency will be United States dollars, whereas if you are dealing with other currencies like GBP, euro, or whatever the currency, then you have to add them in this way. Okay, I hope you are clear about how currencies are added to this zero accounting package. So then you can go back to this organization settings. Okay, so these are the other things: invoice settings, payment services, email settings, zero to zero, and custom contact list. Okay, so I will come back to this part later. Now I am actually going to give a brief understanding about the basic way. Then after that we will go to the more advanced features. Here I am meaning by more advanced features means actually zero is facilitating for e-commerce transaction. Okay, so in today's world we are not going to just have a physical shop and physical transaction. Most of the companies and most of the customers prefer to have e-commerce transaction. Therefore zero is an ideal way to have e-commerce transaction. That's why we need these email settings, payment services, invoice settings, those things. Okay, so I will come back to this part later, but for the time being I am done with the basic settings. But for your understanding, if you just click on this email setting, you can see how we can make tailor-made emails and those things. I will discuss them when it is necessary. Okay, so I hope you are clear with how the organizational details are added to zero accounting package. Then we will move to another interesting area after this video, and you will learn most of the things even in that video as well. Okay, so I hope you are clear of this, and I am winding up this video, and let's meet see you in the next video. Okay, thank you.